Today, to germinate eggplant seeds, I will use aloe vera as fertilizer to help the eggplant germinate healthily. Put soil in the nursery pot. Cut the aloe vera into slices. Place the eggplant seeds on top. Cover with a thin layer of soil and spray water evenly. Leave in a cool place. When preparing the soil, we will use a certain amount of organic fertilizer mixed together to make the soil loose. Organic fertilizer is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, and is harmless to humans. After planting, I will put green manure, which is discarded tubers and fruits, into a plastic bottle to help release nutrients slowly to feed the plant, and pour water into the automatic watering can so that the towel can absorb the water to supply the plant. We planted the eggplants for about 5 days. The plants have taken root. Now we need to take care of them, give them energy to grow. I will fertilize each plant with a sufficient amount of worm castings, which will provide nutrients for the plants. Worm castings have high antibacterial properties, good metabolism, and are harmless to humans. To help the tree stand firmly and not fall over, I will add soil to each tree stump, helping the soil to metabolize better. Va o moi giai Joan, toi luon duitri so dung fan xan, tuk lei fen quaba ji, je jung vao shai nhua, giup kai ko ding duong on jin nhat. After 15 days, the eggplant plants have grown very strongly and are about to flower. At this time, the plants need a lot of nutrients to grow. Therefore, I will fertilize each plant with vermicompost. Now, the plant has flowered. At this stage, the plant is very sensitive to weather, pests, insects, and mold, so we have to take precautions against them. To provide additional nutrients for the plants, I will use a certain amount of vitamin B1 mixed with water to water each plant. repel insects, kill mold, and prevent pests, I use 1 clove of onion mixed with water and spray evenly on the leaves. We just need to spend a little time to help the balcony always have beautiful green fruits. And now, I have more eggplant plants with long, big fruits to enrich my meals after tiring working days. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.